Welcome guys to another video. This is a new week, so new analysis guys. Thank you for watching this video guys, as you're going to get valuable information. May you please press the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so we can reach more people and have more content like this. So thank you guys for watching, and let's get into it. So continuing from last week guys, I'm still seeing this as a buy. The market has entered its second phase, which here, as you can see, ranging. After ranging, it goes up, and it has been going up since. And also here guys, we have beautiful buy candlesticks that are supporting that it is going up and it's going to hit the resistance for its fourth touch. So now if it's going for its fourth touch, we should be expecting that it's going to break through the strong resistance that's been holding since the 4th of June 2018. So guys, we might be hitting a break here, a breakout, and it might reach here guys, 1,43. So you have to come here guys, and this would be the current market. You always have to go to your current price action every time you do analysis guys. Because as much as this is important, the old stuff, don't forget it was 2018. The economy then was different to how the economy is now, so you have to look at the current price action. And when we go to the daily guys, I won't change my setup guys. You can even go to the video that I posted last week. Me, I'm a swing trader, so most of my trades are long term. So after I do my analysis, I always look, if the long term is telling me it's a buy, I'll always be looking to buy until it reaches that certain point. So this certain point, it's going to be this area of resistance or this resistant trend line here at the top when it gives us a breakout. And guys, my confirmation firstly, it's the trend line. It has been touched once, twice, 3 times. At the bottom, once, twice, 3 times, and it has went up and respected the support. So now I know that it has to go and hit this trend line for the 4th time, and when it touches it for the 4th time, we should be expecting something different. And that's why also with this resistance area that looks to be broken, it's just confirming to me that yes, this is a possible strong buy. Then when I know that it's a buy, I'm going to my lower time frames. As you can see guys, you see it's moving already. It's moving. I'm coming to my lower time frames to just confirm what I'm seeing, and this is a correction guys, a correction, and it's going up now. It's continuing to go further up. So far guys, we're good. You see also here guys, same thing happened guys, correction, then it goes up. So you see what happened here. I could enter here and go with the market, like I'm showing here. I could do that and catch it here, but because I want to be sure, I'll just catch it on the second one, the second candle that the 4 hour is going to give me. But now let's go to the 1 hour just to see if we can even enter now. As you can see guys, the 1 hour has already given me a candlestick, and I want to check here if I had entered, because we already passed 1 hour. We passed an hour of the trading session, so the spreads might be a bit low. Oh no, the spreads are still high, so I wouldn't take a risk by getting in guys. I won't take a risk. I will not take a risk, especially if you're trading $100 account. Don't take the risk, guys. Just don't take the risk. If you're gonna take the risk, just use 0.01. Risk management is key. So I'll just wait for an extra hour just to enter, guys, which I'm totally okay with, because that's you saving your money. And also, guys, look here. This is a support. This is a resistance which was broken through, which is now turned support, and now it's going up. You see, guys, there's so many factors that are confirming that this is a buy trade. So when you take a trade, don't have one reason, be like, oh no, I see that, the candlesticks have been going up, then I'm going to enter. There are so many factors, guys. So as you can see, guys, I'm hoping this thing breaks through. I'm just being actually kind by putting the take profit. I could basically be taking it up until there. Let me show you properly. Until there. Could be taking it up until there. But what I can do is, like I showed you here, guys, take profit 1, and this one can be 2, and that one can be 3. Simple. And let's go to GJ. Let's see what it's saying this week. Is it supporting our structure? Wow. Ranging, guys, and you see now it's coming out. It is coming out, guys. It is coming out. That's good. That's a good sign to show and support that it is coming here, guys, to the resistance, to touch it for the 4th time. So now that I have confirmed that, and this candle, the weekly candle, is confirming that it's breaking out of the range, now I'm going to go to the daily to just confirm. Oh wow, just a wow, guys. This is called the let me just check it, guys. I have PDFs here, guys, that I found. This would be called a three white soldiers. Look at them, perfect, guys. And the daily carries out major pips, guys. The daily major pips. So now that I'm getting this third one, I want to enter. I'm going to enter somewhere during the day. That's for sure. If I get the right market structure. Support and resistance, guys. Ranging. It was ranging. Now it's going out. And here on Friday, like, the market does that. So whatever happens during the week from like Monday until Thursday, sometimes Wednesday, the market tends to reverse back. Then when the new week comes, it will continue going the direction it has to go. Most of the time it is like that, and sometimes it's not like that. So don't always be fixed. You mustn't have a fixed mindset sometimes when it comes to Forex. Always know that anything can happen. Anything can happen. Do not forget that. So here, let me look at the 4-hour. You know what? I'm going to be patient, because as you can see here, this is also a doji, small one, and it could fill out this long candlestick. This could fill in this, and I would have to wait for like another candlestick to pass this wick. If the close isn't here, then I'm gonna enter here and go with it until it goes up, guys. But because it just broke out, and I think this is a retest, yeah, it'll be perfect, guys. Enter here and hold and hold and hold until it gets to the resistance, guys. Let me go to the 4-hour. It's confirming, guys, that still a buy. It retested, and the resistance and support has been respected. Yo, guys, look. Oh, wow, guys, wow. Beautiful market structure. Beautiful, very much beautiful. And you see, guys, this is a reversal candlestick. And it's a shooting star. Yeah, shooting star. Then if it's upside down, it's a morning star. Yeah, it's a morning star. Just bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. Oh no, I'm mistaken, guys. I'm very much so mistaken. Yeah, now if you see this one the other way around, it's a hammer. Actually, it's a hammer. So this is a shooting star. Yeah, guys, I'm very happy about the way it's looking. So I feel like we're going to continue with buys until it hits the resistance. Then Euro GBP from last week, I was hit by the wick, which took me in, but then I ended up getting into a loss. And always my risk management is $5. My 1% is $5. So I risked $5 to make 3%, which is $15. So like I said, guys, you go to the current market price, but because it's so choppy, guys, this one, like, it's not 100% clear, but because I know this could be a Twizzler bottom that could be happening. But as you can see, guys, this is a long wick and it just might fill it, because also this thing was only touched twice, and here it touched how many times? Also twice. And since touching, it has never touched the resistance. So I'm expecting it to have to go touch the resistance, guys. It has to go touch the resistance. But you know what? I'm not really comfortable, guys, with this market structure. But because of this correction here, that's why I'm aiming for it to like go up. But it's not really something that I'm comfortable with, so I rather not risk it, guys. But if you want to take your GBP trade, um by all means, man, like, you can. Plus it's a range as well, as you can see, guys, in a range as well. So I would say it's a buy. Actually, yeah, guys, it is a buy. I'd buy here unless it's going to break out here at the bottom. But this looks like a fake out, and that this is going to continue and go up because it's a range. It's ranging and it has hit the support how many times? Um, 3 times, and it was respected. Then you see, guys, the fourth touch, like I always say, guys, 3 touches, then the fourth touch, expect something different. So this was a fake out, and we might be going and taking this trade and going with it to the top, to the resistance. So here I would actually enter there. Let me go to my 1 hour to set my stop loss properly. Then yeah, I'm happy with where my stop loss is, guys. You see, just draw this line here. Yeah, guys, could break through here as well. Go break out, come back. Let me just show you. Could do this. Go up, and as you can see, this is a level here. This is another level here, and another level there. So I could do that. After passing that level, come back to test it. After that, shoot up. That's what could happen, guys. So I believe that, okay, guys, at first I wasn't really sure, but now because I went to the lower time frame, I'm becoming more comfortable, as you guys saw, and confident that it should be going up. That's why it is important, guys, to be able to what is this called, to do a top-down analysis, guys. Because if I didn't look at the smaller time frame, I probably would have missed this, guys. I wouldn't have probably wanted to trade this, but now I have another opportunity. So I have 3 opportunities, guys, on my 3 pairs, which is great. So I'm just going to look at the one that has proper probability, volatility, and volume, and that's the one I'll be going with. So guys, I've reached the pairs that I genuinely would like, that I genuinely have told myself that I'm going to focus on. These are just extras. So now I'm just going to do this extras for you guys. So please, guys, do not forget to press the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button to get more valuable content like this. Now I'm going to the EURUSD. And as you can see, guys, I'm just going to analyze it for y'all as well. We're going to check where we are in the market. All right. This is the current market. This is the support. This is the strong support area. And as you can see, guys, this market has just been going down, and now recently in May it started impulsing to the upside. I'm not familiar with this pattern, but I'm familiar with what's happening here, guys. As you can see, guys, this is like ranging. This is a range. Then it broke out. So, but because I'm seeing this, guys, I think it's going to come and hit here. The aim is to come hit this area right here of 1,25, which it hasn't hit since when? 12 February. So this would be a great zone where bankers are aiming to take this currency. And as you can see, this looks like a, you know, a young correction as well. A young correction, but let's go to the smaller time frame to be able to see it. And also, yo guys, this is a perfect also resistance and support. Let's go to the time frame. Oh guys, you see, guys, I was right, guys. It was ranging until it broke out, and now it broke through this level here. You see, guys, this level here, it broke through again this level right now, and it's aiming to go there. This resistance level turned support. I'm just gonna do that and do that. So guys, I could have bought here. Entered there and said going to let it run till it touches here. But because I missed it, then let me just fix my stop loss, put it right here. So if I had a Fibonacci, guys, like I said, I don't know how to use the Fibonacci, but then the Fibonacci has a level that if it for swing traders, that if it touches that level, that's always the case, that's where the swing happens, and that's where what is this, traders are encouraged to enter. And also here, guys, you can see another resistance and support. It broke through, came back, and this is a good reversal, guys. Good reversal candlestick. Another one as well. So now I'm going to the smaller time frame just to confirm my bias of a buy. So now this has to be smaller. See, guys, been working, respecting, coming down, coming back, respecting, then finally broke through, retested, went up, now it's coming back. As you can also see this, guys, I honestly don't know what type of a pattern you call this, right? But it could be a wedge, guys. It's either a triangle or a wedge. And I'm gonna do that and that. And as you can see, guys, touched here, went, touched again, went, touched again. Now this is a minor correction, a small one, and look how it's flying, guys. Wow, breaks it, guys. Wow. And this just happened now, guys. This is happening right now. This is crazy. Why is it moving like that, guys? But anyway, where's my bar? So now that I see it clearly, guys, I would honestly, because I couldn't catch it here, I'd wait for here. I'm wait for it to break through, probably come back to retest, then we gone up, you know. So yeah, guys, I'd put it here, then once it passes this higher high, I'll enter the trade and put my stop loss, and my ratio will be risking proper, guys, you know, proper risk management as always. But I just might not trade it, guys, depending on if it's a you know, the probability is proper and I see the proper stuff, I just might trade it. But I see a buy, guys. Honestly, I see a buy. So if anything can happen here, anything can happen here as well, guys. Whereby, as you see, it has touched, it can go up there and hit this and come back down, or it can hit it and continue going up. So actually, now that I have a better picture of it, I would honestly wait. I'd wait until this thing is retested, guys. This resistance is tested and broken through. Could have caught this one, but we just too late, guys. We just too late, and it's okay. Forex is about patience most of the time, guys. So let's be patient. Now USDJPY. I'm gonna go to the weekly. As you can see, guys, this is a great market structure as well. It's going up, down. I mean, it's going down, up, down, up, down. So when that happens, it's creating lower highs, lower lows. It's going. It's a sell, guys. I'm not familiar with trading such markets, guys. Like when it's like this, for me, I don't see clearly, guys. I don't see clearly, honestly. So I rather stay away from this, not because I'm just analyzing for you guys, and because this could be one of your favorite pairs. Because it has touched my support here, as you can see, guys, right here, and it did to the bottom, and this was correction a correction. So I'm expecting it to come back and hit the resistance. But because also it has touched this support line, the strong support line, I think this was just a correction. It might be going up. But let's just confirm that by going to a smaller time frame. Even better. First touch, second touch, third touch, one touch, second touch. So it could be going for its third touch. And as you can see now, it's about to pass this minor resistance here. So if it breaks through here, guys, I'd say long, and probably here. Yeah, you see where there's many wicks, guys, many wicks in my stop loss, and put it just below the Thursday's open, below the Thursday's open with some air. No, guys, you see, sometimes we draw too many lines. Let's just let the market tell us what's happening. Corrections, lost some corrections. Wow. Oh, guys, you see, guys, going to the lower, that's why it is so important. Look at this candlesticks, guys. These are reversal candlesticks, guys. This showed undecisiveness, and this was a fight among the buyers and sellers. Then the buyers ended up winning, guys. Wow, wow. Okay, let's see here. Why am I thinking this is a gap? Is this a gap, guys? Whoa, it's a gap, and this gap obviously has to be filled in. Every time there's a gap has to be filled in. So honestly, on my honest opinion, you know, let's check here. This could be a buy, because also, guys, what is this? Joe Biden has been elected as president, but because also the stimulus uh a package has been rejected by Donald Trump recently. So that might have a reason to why it has been like this. It's going like this, guys, and it's not like properly clear. So me personally, I wouldn't take this trade, USDJPY, as yet. The only time I'd probably take it is if it comes here and it breaks through, or it breaks through here, guys. But I'm really not confident about this one. I feel like this one I'll stay away for this week. Then US30, one of my favorites, guys. US30 is one of my favorites. Basically like Nasdaq, guys. It's always going up, and recently it has broken new records. This would be the highest it has been, and this would be the current market. Yo, guys, look at this, guys. Reversal candlesticks. Ugh, this is very good, guys. What I'm seeing here, that means the sellers are losing, guys. The sellers are losing, which is always a good thing. And also US30 is best when you are buying it. It can also be lucrative when selling as well, because yo guys, it falls down. Like most pairs and tradable instruments, guys, like when they uh are selling, yo guys, they fall, like they fall quicker than they went up. Let me start here. As you can see, it's within a channel. Just be doing, it's going up, correcting, going up, correcting, going up, and it's been ranging a bit here. As you can see, guys, it's been ranging a bit. But look at this wick, guys. This wick, that means the buyers were defeated, were being defeated, and they carry out to be defeated. This is a doji even, guys. So this is even a great confirmation for me. Let's look at the smaller time frame to see if we can still, if we would carry a buy trade on this. So what I would do now, because I'm here, I was like saying this is ranging, it's ranging. So I would wait until it breaks out of here, and I would enter. I would enter on the breakout on the second candlestick after this one. I would enter and have my stop loss here, but my stop loss I always go to my smaller time frame to get a perfect one. So I would say US30, this is just correcting after an impulse, correcting, and it's just gonna go up. And here I would mostly use, like, because my lot size that I use 0.01 most of the time. So now I would go to 0.03. I would go to 0.3 because it is very short, guys. It is very short, so it's small pips. So I'm just trying to catch the most money at this point, which is a bad mentality to have, guys. I will not lie to you, but I'm so confident, so I'm willing to take that kind of a risk, and I'm willing to lose the money if it doesn't go my way. But I am trading a demo, guys, but I take a demo as serious as I would on my real account, because guys, this thing hurts, guys. Like, it will hurt you, because to me basically it's like, my direction was wrong. So doesn't matter if it's a demo or a real account, my direction was wrong either way. So now I'm gonna come here, impulse, ranging. So you see, guys, I'm gonna wait for it to break out and go with it until it comes here. And this is a trade I am willing to enter, honestly, because also for me the drawdowns of US30 aren't that bad, so I'm willing to take a risk on it. So look for a buy, guys. A buy. Look for a buy. Buy. Gold. Gold, I suppose, is still continuing off where we left off, guys, from last week. But this is what I did when I was by myself, guys. And for me to come up with what you see there, guys, is this. It's a correction. It's in a correction phase. As you can see, it was impulsing up, guys. Then now it's in a correction phase. And then I put a support level here, because this is a resistant level which turns support, and it was respected here. And because this is the highest level that gold is at right now, that will be the resistance. So I know that this market has to go up and touch there, you know. So now that I know that, and also, as you can see here, look, it's respecting this support level, broke through went up, respecting it again with this red candlestick, bullish bearish candlestick. Then I go to the daily. Oh, the three musketeers, I'll call them, guys. This is a typical market structure. Typical market structure. You see, guys, I have channels within channels, which is perfect confluence because it's agreeing with why I'm saying it's a buy. Look here, perfect. Then it broke through, came back to retest. Look what's happening. It's going up again. So now, because I never took the trade, I won't take it, guys, but I feel like you can still take it, and it's going to hit this level, I feel like, of 1905. That's where it's going to hit, and it just might even break through that level, break out. And look, guys, touches, three touch, 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3. Let's even go to the smaller time frame to even justify it. Oh, guys, this pattern right here, I don't know what it is, but this pattern here is one of the important patterns as well, guys, that you will see at the bottom of a swing. Then I would look where I entered, even, guys, right here after it had passed, right here by the in the middle of the candlestick, not so far away from the open. You see, guys, perfect entry. It touched this resistance area, which was turned support, and then it's just going up, guys. So, like I always say, guys, there's so many confirmations you need to have, because that gives you confidence, guys, in taking a trade. And if you lose, it is okay. And if it goes your way, guys, it is great news, So it's even great news when you know that, okay, this was saying, yes, look, I have my trend lines. It touched once, twice, the third time, and now it's on the support. But also there's this resistance level here that has recently been being respected, guys. Being respected. Then there's this correction has a channel of its own as well. A support and resistance and support area resistant area turned into support. You see, guys, then because it's 1 to 3 my risk reward, so for every 1% I risk, I want to get 3%. And as you can see, now that I paused here, if I had entered here, I would put my stop loss here. Then I will go with it until it touches here. Then as it goes up, I'll put my stop loss here, and then I'd be out of the trade, guys. So I'd say buy gold, guys. Buy gold. Buy gold. Oh, guys, look at this beautiful setup, guys. Beautiful setup. Young correction, impulse up, guys. And look at the levels, guys. Look at the levels. These are the higher lows, lower lows, higher low, lower lows, higher high, higher low, higher high. You see, guys, and it's passing them. So for me, I'm confident. That's why I also put it here as well, guys. The market was here not so long ago, and look what it did here as well when it was there. You see, guys, it did a bit of a correction, came back, also did a bit of a correction. So it's also a resistance that's very important as well. That could be very important. But yeah, guys, that's my analysis for this pairs for this week. I hope you were able to see, even though I couldn't like pronounce or know certain candlesticks, but I hope you guys were able to see the patterns and what type of candlesticks they are, those ones. And you guys can go on babypips.com. I'll just leave the link below, and it'll explain to you those candlesticks and candle patterns that I have been talking about, and also the channels, the support. But I would be taking out a video soon, guys, where I'll be showing you how to create your own cake, because this is a recipe, guys. There's so many things that you need to put together to be able to have a perfect trade. So I hope this video was educational. This video taught you something, and guys, please also correct me where I am wrong, because your feedback is always needed. Please do comment as well, guys, and tell me what else do you guys want to learn, and also what specific things should I focus on the next video that I can explain, and I'll make a specific video on it specifically, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, please like the like button, and press the bell button for every time I release. You'll be notified, guys. Can we please spread the knowledge, guys, because I'm just showing you guys how I'm growing as a trader, guys, how I'm analyzing the market, and I feel like the way I'm viewing it could be the way also you be viewing it, and also seeing how I prepare myself every week for the week that's about to come. But like I said, me, GBPUSD, GBPJPY, EURJPY, and probably US30, guys, one of my favorite um uh currency and indicator to trade, guys. So yeah, guys, have yourselves a wonderful, profitable week ahead. This is Mr. FX Mosako signing out.